Have you accidentally deleted a file and it is not in the recycle bin? In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how you can recover your permanently deleted files in Windows 11. No paid apps, no coded needed. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to go to that particular folder where the file was originally saved. So let's assume that this was the folder where my original file was saved. So you need to come out of this folder, then right click on it, then scroll down and click on the option of show more options. Now here you will see bunch of different options. Among these, select the option of restore previous versions. Now once you click on it, you will see this type of page in front of you where if the file history or the system protection was turned on, you will see all of the earlier versions of that particular folder. So you need to choose a version from before the file was deleted and click on the open. Then you need to locate and restore your file. So it is going to bring back your folder the way it was, including all of your deleted files. Now, if this method doesn't work for you, you can try the second method in which you can simply restore your data using the OneDrive backup. So if you are using OneDrive account of yours, open your web browser and search for this particular URL, which is onedrive.live.com. Over here, you need to sign in into your account, then click on the recycle bin and look for the deleted files there. Select it and hit the restore button. The best part is that OneDrive keeps the deleted files for up to 30 days, even if they are gone from your PC. So you can try any of these methods in order to recover your deleted files in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe and comment if you want more PC fixes videos. Thanks for watching.